Clear? Now 95 multiplied by 97. 95 is 5 places away from 100. So you can say -5. 97 is 3 places away, -3. Although -5 into -3, 15, write down 15. 95 minus 3, 95 minus 3 is 92. Once again, 95 multiplied by 97. 95 is near to 100 by how much? -5. 97 is 3 places away from 100, so -3. -5 multiplied by -3 is 15. Write down directly 15. 97 minus 5 is 92, or 95 minus 3 is 92. One more calculation. 92 is 8 places away from 100. 97 is 3 places away. 8 3s are 24. 92 minus 3 is 89, or 97 minus 8 is 89. (92) multiplied by 97. 92 is 8 places away from 100. 97 is 3 places away from 100. 92 is 8 places away from 100. 97 is 3 places away from 100. So 92 minus 8, 97 minus 3. 8 3s are 24. 92 minus 3 is 89. One more example to clear this point. 89 multiplied by 92. (89) is 11 places away from 100. 92 is 8 places away from 100. 88, write down 88. 89 minus 8 is 81, or 92 minus 11 is 81. If point is clear to you, answers. Oh, पण मी लिहिणार ना. 5 questions for practice. Means we are starting at the same time workshop. You start solving the question here only. Practice at the time of class only. Sugar. If possible, write down the answers. You can write your answer on chat. It's 8,004. We want here 2-digit number. 13 and this is 8. 104. Carry 1 over here. 87 minus 8 or 92 minus 30. 87 minus 8. 79 plus 1. तो 4 का किसने लिखा है आंसर 9212 6 92 6 2 जा 11 7 जा 8277. Ajang 106 multiplied by 108. Same as it is. This is 6 place away from 100 and this is 8 place away from 100. So this is plus 6, this is plus 8. 48. 8 6 are 48. Here we have to add 106 plus 8. 108 plus 6 is 114 or 106 plus 8 is 114. 8 6 are 48. Again, 105 multiplied by 107. This is 5 place away. This is 7 place away. 7 5 are 35. 105 plus 7. One 109 multiplied by 106. सोडून गेले का? Uh, 11554. This is clear to you? 103 is 3 place away. 108 is 8 place away. 8 into 3 is 24. 103 plus 8, 111. Now, next part that seems to be little bit different, but we'll think. 97 multiplied by 103. This is 3 place away, minus 3. And this is plus 3. So 103 minus 3 is 100, or 97 plus 3 is 100. 3 3s are 9. We want 2-digit number here. So we are writing, but this is minus 9. Always write 20 and then subtract 9. "97 is 3 place away. minus 3. 103 is 3 place away. So minus 3 multiplied by 3 is minus 9. 197 plus 3 is 100. Always write 20 here. Minus 9, you will get 9,991. 9,991. One more question to clear this point. 92 multiplied by 104. This is 8 place away and this is 4 place away. 108 minus 8. 108 minus 8. 96 or 92 plus 4 is 96. Always write 20 minus 32. So 9568 is your answer. 92 is 8 place away. 104 is 4 place away. 92 plus 4 is 96 or 104 minus 8 is 96. Always write 20. And this multiplication 8 4 are 32. This is minus, minus. So minus 32 is 9568. To clear one more point, 97 multiplied by 105. This is minus 3 plus 5 minus 15. 97 plus 5. 97 plus 5 is 102. I will write 10185. Clear? (97) is 3 place away, minus 3. 105 is 5 place away, plus 5. 5 into 3 is 15, minus 15. 97 plus 5 is 102. 102 and then you are writing 2 zeros. So instead of that, I have already written 101. 100 minus 15 is 85. Recording नहीं किया. Okay. Take a screenshot of this and give me answer on WhatsApp. If possible, send me now, if possible. Check your answer. Remaining, you send it to me on my WhatsApp number. Take this is as a homework. We'll move to next concept. Multiplication of numbers whose sum of units or product of two numbers whose sum of unit place is 10 and tens place digit is same. One more concept. So we are going to calculate sum of the unit place digit is 10 and tens place digit is same. In such case, what we are doing? 7 into 3, write down directly 21. 5 into next number, 5 into 6 is 30. One calculation, 7 into 3, directly write 21. 5 into next number, 5 का next number 6 होता है, 5 into 6 is 30. 64 multiplied by 66. This 6 plus 4 is 10. So directly write down 24. 6 into next number, 6 into 7 is 42. 4 into 6 is 24. 6 into next number, 6 into 7 is 42. Then the sum. 44 multiplied by 46. What you will do? 6 into 4 is 24. 4 into next number, 4 into 5 is 20. Take a screenshot. Try this question at home. We'll see the next concept. Take a screenshot of this. Try this number. Answer at home. Same. Multiplication of numbers whose sum of tens place digit is 10 and unit place digit is same. unit place digit is same, and sum of this is 10. This is 10. In this case, just write down the square of this. 6 square, 36. And 4 multiplied by 6, 24, plus always 6 means this number, same number. 4 into 6, 24, plus 6 is 30. In this case, same number is 6. Make a square of this, 36. 4 into 6 is 24, plus add this same number. 24 plus 6 is 30. Tens place digit is 10. What you will do? 5 into 5, write down 25. 7 into 3, 21, plus 5, 26. 5 into 5, 5 square, write down 25. 7 into 3, 21, plus 5, 26. Three into 3, 3 square, always write 2 digits, so 0, 9. 8 to the 16 plus 3, 16 plus 3, 19. Take a screenshot. These are all tricks are in my book, Friendship with Maths. So you can take it online, or you can purchase from Amazon. Friendship with Maths by Sanjay More. Whatever tricks, square, cube, taking square root, cube root, finding cube root of any number, square root of any number, multiplication tricks are available in Friendship with Maths. So take a screenshot, try this at home. Now multiplication of the numbers whose last digit is same, unit place digit is same. Multiplication of numbers whose unit place digit is same. That is 47 multiplied by 37. This is only same. Don't think about not any other rule. Only unit place digit is same. In such case, take a square of unit digit, that is 49. Write down 9, carry 4. Carry 4, keep in mind carry 4. Addition of this 4 and 3, 7. Into this same number, 4 plus 3 into this same number, 49 plus carried number. Carried number is 4. That is 53. Write down 3 here. Now carry 5. Now 4 into 3, 12 plus carried 5. Multiplication of the numbers whose unit place digit is same. Unit place digit is same. In such case, 7 into 7, 49, carry 4. 4 plus 3, 7. Multiply this same number plus carried number. You got 53. Write down 3. 5 carried number. 4 into 3, 12 plus 5 is 17. Write down 17 here. $83 multiplied by 63. 3 square, 9. 8 plus 3, 8 plus 6, 14. 14 into 3, 42. Carry 4. 8 6 are 48. Plus 4 is 52. Three square, 9. 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 into 3, 42. Write down 2, carry 4. 8 6 are 48 plus 4, 52. Take a screenshot, try this at home. We'll see the general method, universal method of multiplication. Take a screenshot, try this at home. Send me answers on WhatsApp. We'll see general method of multiplication of 2-digit and 3-digit. General method of multiplication of 2-digit and 3-digit. Take a screenshot, 3 into 1 is 3. 4 into 1, 5 into 3. 4 into 1 is 4. 5 into 3 is 15. 15 plus 4, 19. Carry 1. Carry 1. 5 4s are 20 plus carry 1, 21. Three into 1 is 3. 4 into 1 plus 5 into 3. 4 into 1 is 4. 5 into 3 is 15. 15 plus 4, 19. Carry 1. 4 into 5, 20 plus 1, 21. Three to the 6. 4 into 2, 8. 3 into 3, 9. 8 plus 9, 17. Carry 7. 4 3 is 12 plus 1, 13. 3 2 is 6. Write down 6 here. 4 into 2 plus 3 into 3. 4 into 2 is 8. 3 into 3, 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. Carry 1. 4 3 is 12 plus 1, 13. 3 digits. One 23 multiplied by 321. First this 3 into 1. This 3 into 1. 2 into 1, 3 into 2. 3 to the 6 plus 2, 8. Now this cover. Now all three numbers. We are taking pair of three numbers, that is 6 numbers. 1 into 1 is 1. 3 into 3, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 2 into 2, 4. 10 plus 4, 14. So I will write 4, carry 1. All 6 numbers are completed. Leave these 2. Now this 2, 6, 8. And what is carried? 1. 8 plus 1, 9. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into 1 is 3. Then 3 into 2, 2 into 1. 3 to the 6 plus 2, 8. This 4 number, then all 6 numbers. 1 into 1, 3 into 2, 2 into 2. That is 14. Write down 4, carry 1, carry 1. 2 into 2, 3 into 2, 6 plus 2, 8. Carry 1, 9. 3 into 1, 3. Two into 1 is 2. 2 to the 4, 6 into 1, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. Carry 1. I'm not writing 1 here, keep in your mind. 4, 3, 7 plus 12, 19. Carried 1, 20. Now carry 2. All 6 numbers I have taken. Now leave these 2 numbers. 6 4 are 24, 3 2 are 6. 24 plus 6, 30, and carried 2. 30 plus 2, 32. Now carry 3. Now leave this 4 number, only this 2. 4 3s are 12, plus 3, 15. Two into 1, 2. 2 into 2, 6 into 1. 4 plus 6, 10. Carry 1. 8, 3, 12. Check the multiplication. Try this at home. Try this at home. Take a screenshot or try these questions at home. Send me the answers on WhatsApp. Next topic, we'll see approximation and simplification. That is, we are turning towards a difficulty level. We are turning towards difficulty level. Take a screenshot, write this question. If you think today's lecture slow or fast, just WhatsApp me. We'll meet tomorrow at same time to solve approximation and simplification, 2 topics. That is, we are turning towards a difficulty level from basic to difficulty level. Okay. Good day to all of you.